Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are going good and safe. Today, we are going to learn the chapter Trigonometrical Identities. There are 6 trigonometrical ratios relating to the 3 sides of a right-angled triangle. For an acute angle theta of a right-angled triangle ABC, sin theta is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular divided by base. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by base. Cot theta is equal to base divided by perpendicular. Next, reciprocal relations. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Next, quotient relation. Sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta and cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Next, square relations. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this one, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. From this one, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. From this one, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Keeping all these relations in your mind, let us start the exercise. First question. Prove the following identities. Sec a minus 1 divided by sec a plus 1 equal to 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. Here you can start with the LHS or RHS. First here LHS is equal to sec A minus 1 divided by sec A plus 1. You know sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So this sec A equal to 1 by cos A minus 1 divided by 1 by cos A plus 1. Take the LCM. 1 minus cos A divided by cos A, the whole divided by 1 plus cos A divided by cos A. You know fractions division is equal to take the reciprocal and multiply. So it become 1 minus cos A divided by cos A into cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. Cos A cancel. So the answer is 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. That is equal to RHS. Next question. 1 divided by tan A plus cot A equal to cos A sin A. Here LHS is equal to 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. You know tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So you can write this as 1 divided by sin A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by sin A. That is equal to 1 divided by, from the denominator taking the LCM, sin square A plus cos square A divided by cos A sin A. Now fractions division is equal to take the reciprocal and multiply. So this become cos A sin A divided by sin square A plus cos square A. That is equal to cos A sin A. You know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. Next question. Tan A minus cot A is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A divided by sin A cos A. Here LHS equal to tan A minus cot A. That is equal to sin A by cos A minus cos A by sin A. Taking the LCM, sin square A minus cos square A divided by cos A sin A. You know here the answer is coming as 1 minus 2 cos square A. So instead of sin square A you have to change with the cos square A. You know sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So this become 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A divided by cos A sin A. That is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A divided by cos A sin A. That is equal to RHS. Next question. Sin raised to 4A minus cos raised to 4A equal to 2 sin square A minus 1. LHS equal to sin raised to 4A minus cos raised to 4A. Sin raised to 4A you can write as sin square A the whole square. Likewise cos raised to 4A you can write cos square A the whole square. So this become sin square A the whole square minus cos square A the whole square. As you know, the identity is A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So this become sin square A plus cos square A into sin square A minus cos square A. But we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this become 1 into sin square A minus cos square A. From the question, the RHS side is 2 sin square A minus 1. So remove this cos square A from this. So this becomes sin square A minus cos square A you can write 1 minus sin square A. That is equal to sin square A minus 1 plus sin square A. That is equal to 2 sin square A minus 1. That is RHS. Next question. 1 minus tan A the whole square plus 1 plus tan A the whole square equal to 2 sec square A. LHS equal to 1 minus tan A the whole square plus 1 plus tan A the whole square. Open the identities A plus B the whole square and A minus B the whole square likewise. So this become 1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 tan A. Minus 2 tan A and plus 2 tan A cancel. So this become 2 plus 2 tan square A. That is 2 is common here. 2 into 1 plus tan square A. You know the identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Therefore this become 2 sec square A. That is RHS. Next question. Sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A equal to 1. LHS equal to sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. You can write sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So this become 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A into 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. that is equal to 1 minus sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus cos sin A divided by cos A. That is equal to 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by cos square A. You know, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So this become 1 minus sin square A divided by cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. So this become cos square A divided by cos square A. That is equal to 1. That is RHS. Next question. Sec square A plus cosec square A is equal to sec square A into cosec square A. LHS equal to sec square A plus cosec square A. That is equal to 1 by cos square A plus 1 divided by sin square A. Taking the LCM, sin square A plus cos square A divided by cos square A sin square A. That is equal to 1 divided by cos square A into sin square A. 1 by cos square is equal to sec square A. 1 by sin square A is equal to cosec square A. That is equal to RHS. So I hope this type of questions clear to you. Practice the questions. Thank you.